Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all a turkey bowl recipe. This is actually from Pinterest, but this is definitely a staple for our family and I thought I would share it with you guys. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Alright, so we're going to start by getting all of our ingredients out. Have salt, pepper, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, oregano, cumin, chili powder, tomato sauce, black beans, make sure they're rinsed and drained, and chicken broth. The recipe calls for beef broth, but this is what I had at hand. And make sure you put in about a tablespoon of olive oil in your pan and make sure it heats up before you put in your ground turkey. So while I have the ground turkey cooking, I'm going to be starting on my rice. I just made about 1 cup of rice because that's enough for my family and I. So now that my ground turkey is cooking, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, as well as 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And you can add to your tasting or to your liking. This is just what the recipe calls for. And just make sure you're breaking the meat into small pieces as it cooks. So I'm just cooking the ground turkey until it's no longer pink. And while that's cooking, I'm going to be mixing all of the spices together along with 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Alright, so now that the ground turkey is fully cooked and no longer pink, I'm going to start adding the mixture of spices and flour and just going to be adding it slowly and mixing it as I go. And it will get crumbly, but it's okay because we're going to be adding the chicken broth in just a bit. So now you slowly add your beef broth or chicken broth. I actually didn't film when I put my broth in. For some reason it didn't film. But anyways, just make sure you're whisking it while you're adding it so it can thicken up. And then add your tomato sauce as well. And now I'm just stirring everything together to combine. Alright, so now that the mixture's all done, just make sure you let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat or until thickened to your liking. So just make sure you keep checking to see if it's as thick as you would like. Alright guys, so while the mixture was simmering, I made all of our toppings. I made some homemade guacamole sauce, cut up some lettuce, and I'm using sharp cheddar cheese and some sour cream as our toppings. And you can use whatever you'd like, but these are just our favorites. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the rice first in the bowl, then I add the mixture on top along with the guacamole, lettuce, sharp cheddar cheese, and sour cream. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried this recipe out, and let me know if you liked it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys at my next video.